SAVILAND gifted me their Airbrush Gel Nail Polish. This set comes with 12 beautiful colors and is safe to use at home. The airbrush gun is so cute, I love that it's pink. First, I'm setting up my gun after charging it. Then I'm testing both pressure modes. I'm going for a 4th of July theme, so I'm starting off with a fiery red. Don't forget to shake your product before opening it. I'm going in with that red on a blue nail. Then I'll be adding some white, overlapping, and creating an ombre effect. This machine was beginner friendly and such a fun way to create beautiful nail art. The cleanup was fairly easy. And thank you so much to SAVILAND.